How to log into NewDay Amazon credit card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll guide you through the process of logging into your NewDay Amazon credit card online account. So in order to begin, navigate to any web browser and enter NewDay Amazon credit card login in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then click on the official login website that appears. And after you do that, you will be headed towards the official login portal. And in this page, you're supposed to enter your correct form of your username in this designated area of username and click on Next, highlighted in purple color, in order to successfully log into your credit card online account. And in the case if you have forgotten your username, you can click on this Forgotten Username option and follow the on-screen instructions to retrieve or reset your username. If your credentials are accurate, you will successfully access your NewDay Amazon account. So we hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you would like more content on this topic, please leave a comment below. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for our future updates. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.